Today we're going to show you how to change the bake element in your range. Really easy job. All we're going to need is a 1/4 inch nut driver and maybe a pair of needle nose pliers. Let me show you how it's done. First step in this repair is to disconnect the power from your range. If your range has a plug type cord on it, simply disconnect the plug from the receptacle. If it doesn't and it's hardwired, find the disconnect switch or the breaker, turn off the power to the range. Our next step will be to remove any racks that are in the way of removing the element. Just slide those out and set them aside. Next, we'll locate the 2 1/4 inch hex head screws that secure the element to the back of the oven cavity. Next step will be to slide the element forward carefully. So we'll be pulling 2 wires through the small holes at the rear of the oven cavity. Make sure that they don't catch. Bend the wire over so that they don't retract through the holes. Remove your old element. Next, we'll look at the wire terminals, make sure that they're not arced or burnt before we reinstall them. Make sure they fit nice and snug. If they don't, take a pair of needle nose pliers, crimp them a little tighter. Now slide the element back to the rear of the oven. And then we'll reinstall the 2 1/4 inch hex head screws. Make sure that the element is sitting flat, level, and we're ready to reinstall the racks. And our repair is complete.